Hi guys, it's part 3 of fidgets and games. So we're gonna play Heaven World. I was trying to make videos, but it keeps on saying storage is full. I've deleted so much apps, and so let's do this. We were doing the face, but it ended the same. So the song stuck in my head it's called like It's Me from Ellie. Who's by some you buy, who's by some you buy. It's me. It's me. I'm gonna fix that. Or maybe not. Or maybe I'm gonna fix that. Actually, I'm gonna flop. I don't know why I made the head too tall. We're gonna keep that as a neck. So let's do this, and then let's do. I want my hair to be short. So let's do. I don't know. The eyes will look ugly. Gonna be in my dream. Oh, let's delete that. Oh, that's her forehead. So I'm gonna stay away from that. So if you want a house tour, I'm gonna give you a house tour. So this is the kitchen. Totally in survival. I'm just kidding. Wasn't in survival. So this is my room where I sleep. Oh, and then when you come here, you can watch TV. Yeah. There. Yeah, I don't want to watch this anymore. Bye-bye. So, by the way, guys, if you want to see my drawings, I can show you. It's called color. So wait 1 minute, I'm gonna mute for a minute. So guys, I'm giving you a tour of my drawings, but some I'm not gonna show you because it has my sister and my grandma's name. So this I'm not gonna show you the first one and the third one. Sorry, my cousin was talking, so So I'm not going to show you the first one and the third one. And I can show you this, but I'm not going to show you the name on the bottom because it has my sister's name. So yeah. So yeah, this is my name, and I don't know what is this. I did this odd one, and let's see. I'm not gonna open the black one because it's gonna show my face, and I cannot do a face reveal. And I'm with my cousin. I'm calling her, but I can't. Yeah. Wanna say hi? Say hi. Hi. Okay. So she also has a YouTube channel. It's called Eyeless Fan.
I comment on this video and then after in my comments everyone should subscribe to it.
She said she's gonna comment on this video, and yeah. Anyway, my brother drew this guy. He's a Minecraft player. That one's mine. This was my brother's. So this one's my brother's. And I did and Timu, and yeah, pizza, and then and the hair dryer, because I did it in the salon, and I did a midnight sun drawing, and I made this drawing. I made this drawing that's a go to sleep, and my auntie did this one, and I drew the salon lady that was making my hair for my recording of musical, and this I was in another salon, and I drew that, and that was a palm tree because my mom told me to do it, and this girl was the first picture I made like this, but it's so ugly, and then this is for a birthday, and then this is Daniela, because I found it in a post. So yeah, and I made boiled up noodles, and don't forget to like and sub. And yeah, I made abstract art, and I drew IKEA, and my brother told me to draw Wambo. You should watch Wambo. He's a Minecraft player. If you're a boy that's watching this, because my brother loves watching Wambo. And my mom told me to draw this beautiful road. I named it Beautiful Road. And this, I was making a ice cream shop and a restaurant with it, and I called it Chocomelette. But there's an actual shop in Bahrain, or like in other Arabic countries. It's called Chocomelette, and it's like you can get pancakes, waffles, like that stuff. And I made this Olivia Rodrigo background for my cousin, and I made the seagull, and I made this bow background, and I made the cinnamon roll bird, and yeah, Sanya crochet one cute. So yeah, and like yeah, I do crocheting, and the bunny that's on the bottom, this bunny over here, it's crocheted, and I want to crochet that one day. So yeah. And I made this lily flower by accident. I made it upside down, but it's so cute. 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 It's called a lily flower. I know I wrote lily wrong because it was a long time ago. So let's move on to the next one. Let's see. This one is Sanrio IRL, Hello Kitty, and then Kuromi, and then Pachako, and then cinnamon roll, and then I don't know, pudding, and then more like that stuff. So yeah, and then let's go see the last one, which is the ice cream. That was actually my first picture I ever made. It was in a restaurant, and this summer. This is like, yeah, egg, and that's all. So bye guys, hope you like the 10 minutes video.